After ChatGPT became the talk of the town, everyone and their grandmother seems to want in on the action. Microsoft Bing AI and Google Bard threw their hats into the ring. But now, brace yourselves, because Elon Musk has entered the chat. His latest creation, TruthGPT, promises to reveal the truth like never before. In this video, we'll delve deeper into the dystopian future Elon has in store for us. It all began in 2015. OpenAI was a non-profit organization that made a big splash when it launched in 2015 with backing from some of the biggest names in tech, including Elon Musk and Reid Hoffman. Together, they pledged a cool $1 billion to the cause and attracted some of the brightest minds in the field. However, in 2018, Musk abruptly left the board of OpenAI, citing a potential conflict in interest with Tesla. But according to a recent report from Semaphore, the real reason was a failed takeover attempt. Apparently, Musk felt that OpenAI was falling behind Google in the AI race and offered to take charge himself. When the other co-founders said no, Musk backed out of a promised donation and stepped down from the board. But here's where things get interesting. After leaving OpenAI, Elon Musk didn't hold back on his criticisms of the company. A year later, he openly admitted that he didn't agree with some of the things the OpenAI team wanted to do. And in 2020, he made it clear that he thought the company should be more open. He even took to Twitter, as he often does, to share his thoughts. In one of his tweets, he mentioned that OpenAI had deviated from its open source and non-profit roots. According to him, it had become something scary good and dangerously powerful. But the story doesn't end there. In April 2023, Elon went all in on his criticism of OpenAI. He claimed that the organization, which he had intended to be an open-source, non-profit company to counterbalance Google, had turned into a closed-source, profit-driven entity controlled by Microsoft. Obviously, it wasn't what he had in mind when he named it OpenAI. No matter what Elon and his cult following had to say, ChatGPT grew stronger, better, and more popular than any of its competitors. Until ChatGPT messed up. Apparently, the chatbot has been caught spewing out answers that lean towards a distinctly liberal viewpoint. People are now questioning whether our beloved $10 billion artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, has a woke bias. Elon Musk himself expressed his concerns when the program admitted it would rather blow up the world with a nuclear weapon than utter a racial slur. And guess what? The chatbot refused to pen a poem in praise of former President Donald Trump, but was more than happy to do so for Kamala Harris and Joe Biden. The program conveniently avoids discussing the benefits of fossil fuels, as if it has some eco-warrior allegiance. Experts are warning that if these biased AI bots are used for generating search results, unsuspecting users might be led astray. And let's not forget about the chatbot's selective admiration. It lavishes Joe Biden with appreciation, going on about his intelligence and political skills. But when it comes to Lauren Boebert, well, the bot seems a bit dismissive, simply acknowledging her business savvy and controversial political views. Now, the researcher David Rosado has an interesting take on this. According to the researcher David Rosado, when he fed multiple online political tests into the dialogue function of this language model, it shamelessly spat out answers that lean towards a left-liberal worldview. Apparently, when faced with a range of response options from strongly agree to strongly disagree, ChatGPT took stances on hot-button topics like immigration and identity politics that align with what the establishment liberals believe. David Rosado, in his infinite wisdom, concluded that the AI's bias might not come from some wicked software developer trying to push an agenda. No, it's all because ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of internet data that has a bit of a liberal tilt. You see, search engines like Google and knowledge databases like Wikipedia apparently have a penchant for favoring those accepted liberal viewpoints over any contrarian ones. Who would have guessed? And now, Elon Musk is back in the AI game. The billionaire extraordinaire has gone ahead and created a brand new artificial intelligence company called x.ai. Clever name, right? It's like he got his fingers in every app-related pie out there. According to the latest scoop, Musk incorporated the company in Nevada just last month, with himself as the director and Jared Birchall from his family office listed as the secretary. Rumors have been swirling around for days about Musk's AI adventure, and it seems they're not just rumors anymore. Reports suggest that our beloved tech mogul has been stocking up on thousands of graphic processing units, also known as GPUs, because he's cooking up some mind-boggling generative AI product. It appears that Musk isn't content with just creating an AI firm. He's got his sights set on competing with none other than Microsoft-backed OpenAI. Rumor has it that he even tried to secure funding from his SpaceX and Tesla investors to kickstart his AI extravaganza. And now, Elon Musk is on a mission to create TruthGPT. Yes, you heard that right. The Twitter-trolling, Tesla-driving billionaire is not satisfied with just dominating the realms of electric cars and space travel. Now he wants to combat what he claims is liberal bias in a popular chatbot by unleashing a maximum truth-seeking AI upon the universe. In his recent interview with Fox News, Musk accused OpenAI, a company he once invested in, of training their chatbot to be politically correct. But Elon is here to save the day with his own truth-fueled creation. It's worth noting that just a few weeks ago, Musk called for a pause on the training of powerful AI systems due to the profound risk to society they posed. But apparently, that didn't stop him from diving headfirst into the world of AI once again. Apart from ChatGPT, even its rival, Google's Bard has faced criticism for occasionally spouting outright falsehoods with unwavering confidence. But with TruthGPT, Musk aims to set the record straight and ensure accuracy in AI-generated information. No more fake news or dubious claims. While we eagerly await the arrival of TruthGPT, Musk is already busy building a team for his own AI startup. With his rockets, cars, and now an AI crusade, Musk is determined to revolutionize every aspect of our lives. Stay tuned as the quest for truth unfolds, and let's hope it doesn't lead to a world where AI bots fact-check every sentence we utter. How do you think this will change the world? Will Musk catch up to all the AI advancements or back out of this too? Let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next one.